All right, guys. So some of you guys may have gotten some changes from Mr. Farmer regarding a outline in the text, and here's some examples of what it should look like if it's outline. That means he's asking for some kind of outline around the actual words. Okay, so if I hit the T for text, I type in Benedictine. I double left click. I want to change that to white. Tab 0, tab 0, 0, and I hit OK in the color. All right, so I have this text here. I can move it and I can edit it. Okay, but what I need to do is I'm going to have to actually Control on a PC or Command on a Mac and then hover over the little icon preview. Okay, then I'm going to create a new layer, left click on that. I'm going to left click hold and drag it below the actual text. I'm going to go to select, modify, expand. I would do only about 3 pixels, hit OK. You see it's actually grown. All right, I'm going to go hit the G key, paint bucket tool, left click once, and then it's filled in. You've hit Command D on a Mac, Control D on a PC, and boom, you've got it outlined. So that's how you outline the text.